It looks like an ordinary computer. Your photos, your files, everything you care about. Until one wrong click. This is malware, and it just held your files hostage. Right now, billions of devices are online. Phones, laptops, everything you own. And every single second, thousands of them get infected. So what exactly is this invisible threat? The word is simple, 2 parts. Malicious, meaning harmful, and software. Put them together and you get malware. Software built on purpose to harm you, steal from you, or spy on you. But how does it get inside? It sneaks in through everyday things you tap, open, or download. An email attachment, a fake app, a random USB stick, a sketchy download. One careless click and it is already inside your device. The oldest type is a virus. A virus hides inside a normal file, waiting for you to open it. Once you do, it copies itself into everything it can reach, file after file after file. A worm is smarter. It does not wait for a click. It spreads completely on its own. It hops from device to device across a network, infecting each one automatically. A Trojan plays a trick. It pretends to be a normal, useful app you would want to install. But hidden inside that friendly app is the malware itself. You invite it in without knowing. Then there is ransomware, the scary one. It locks every single file you own, then demands money to set them free. Pay up or lose everything. Spyware is the quiet one. It hides in the background and secretly watches everything you do. Your messages, your photos, your passwords, all sent straight to a stranger. This is not just theory. In 2017, a ransomware worm called WannaCry showed the world how fast this spreads. In just days, it froze hospitals, banks, and businesses in over 150 countries. More than 200,000 computers locked. Because malware is not just annoying. It steals. It drains your money. It takes your data. And it can even steal your identity. Now for the good news. Stopping it is surprisingly simple. Keep your apps and phone updated. Use a trusted antivirus. Do not click links you do not recognize. Only install from official app stores. And always back up your important files. So, quick recap. 5 kinds of malware: virus, worm, Trojan, ransomware, spyware. But they all come down to one simple idea. Malware is just harmful software. So think before you click. Now you know what malware really is. Stay one step ahead. Subscribe for weekly cybersecurity explained simply. And next, we will show you how antivirus actually works.